Hello students, I hope all of you fine in home. Assume that if you went to the shop, you are purchasing some books and you will ask to show some books for shopkeeper. He will show you 10 books, good books. Out of that, you want to take only 3 books, but he will show all 10 types of books, but you will select only 3. So this how you write in mathematical words. So you taken only 3 books out of 10 books. This how you write in mathematical way. So we will write that out of 10 you taken 3. So okay. So this number what we call? So this type of numbers we will call it as fractions. So today we will learn about fractions. So before going to the concept fractions, you know the definition of fractions. Fractions. Okay. Fractions means what here? Fractions means it is a part of whole. It represents part of whole. Take one example. 2 upon 3. This is the one fraction. So here it contains 2 parts. Any fraction contains 2 parts. Okay. Now see here. This part is called as numerator. Up part is called as numerator and this is called as denominator. This is called as denominator. So any fraction contains these 2 parts. So that is 1 is 2 upon 3. This is one fraction. The up number is called as numerator and this down number is called as denominator. So these are the main parts of any fraction. So now we will go to the next types of fractions. How many types are there? Types of fractions. Okay. There are mainly 3 types of fractions. There are mainly 3 types of fractions. So which are the 3 types here? First one proper fraction, second one improper fraction, third one mixed fraction. So these are the main 3 types of fractions. So first one is what? Proper fraction. Proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. It is the improper fraction. Third one is mixed fractions. Third one is mixed fractions. So see here now, these are the main 3 parts types of fractions. Now we will learn detail one by one. So see here, apart from this also some types of fractions are there, like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions. So but mainly these are the main 3 types of fractions. On this only, based on this only we have problems. So first we will learn about proper fraction. What is the meaning of proper fraction? So proper fraction is what? In this fraction, numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator here smaller than denominator. For example, take here 2 by 7. See here, numerator is here smaller than denominator. So such type of fractions is called as proper fractions. So come to second one, improper. This type of fraction means what? In this fraction, here numerator is greater than denominator. Here numerator is greater than denominator. Take one example, 8 by 3. See here numerator is greater than denominator. So this is the second type of fraction. So mixed fraction means what? Third type one is mixed fraction. This is a combination of whole number and one proper fraction. Or fraction is a combination of whole number and fraction. Whole number means what? You know the numbers which include the zeros that are called as whole numbers. Take one any whole number. For example, it is a whole number. Whole number and one fraction can take proper fraction 4 upon 7. So this is called as mixed fraction. So this is a combination of whole number and fraction is called as mixed fraction. So students, these are the types of fractions. First one is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So proper fraction means here down number is big. In improper fraction, up number is big, means numerator is big. Here numerator is small. And mixed fraction means what? It is the combination of whole number and one fraction. So I hope all have understood what is the meaning of fraction, which are the types of fractions. Now we will go how to convert mixed fraction to improper and improper to mixed fraction. Okay, how to convert mixed to improper and improper to mixed fraction. See here how to convert. Convert improper to mixed fraction. Improper to mixed fraction. How to convert? See here. Improper to mixed fraction. Okay. We are converting here improper to mixed fraction. Take an example for improper fraction. For example, now 17 upon 5. Is it an improper fraction? Yes or no? Because here numerator is greater than denominator. Now we have to convert this into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means we know whole number and non fraction. So to convert this number into improper fraction, mixed fraction, we will use the division method. So in any fraction, always down number is total number and up number is selection. The meaning of 17 upon 5 means what? Out of 5, 17 is selected. But it is an improper fraction here. So numerator is big. So now you can take down number as a divisor. So 5 is the divisor and 17 is the dividend. So 17 is the dividend. So now we divide. So 5 is the 15. Then subtract it. 7 minus 5, 2. Then 1 minus 1, 0. So now 2 is less than 5. So it is not possible to divide. When it is not possible to divide, there you stop it. Then now, how we write this one? We can write, first to write quotient. So quotient is 3. Then come to here. Next here we can write 2. This is 2. Upon, come to here, divisor, that is 5. So now it becomes mixed fraction. So 5 to the 15, 15 plus 2, 17. 17 upon 5. See here, 5 to the 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 upon 5. So 17 upon 5, now we converted into mixed fraction. So in this way, we will convert improper to mixed fraction. Consider one more example. How to convert improper to mixed fraction. Take one more example. Now I will solve you. Now 39 upon 6. This is the one improper fraction. So now we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So again same division method you can use. So down number is always divisor, that is 6 divided by 39. So take 39 here. So now 6 6 are 36. So 36. So now subtract it. 9 minus 6, it is 3. Then 3 minus 3, 0. So now 3 left, remainder 3 is less than 6. It is not possible to divide. So now to write this answer. So this here to here, then here to here. First you write quotient, that is 6. Then you write remainder, that is 3. Then you write 6 again. So it is 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3, 39 by 6. So this is the mixed fraction. So now here what we did, we convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. So this is the method of converting mixed fraction, improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now we will convert mixed fraction to improper. Vice versa. How to convert mixed fraction to improper? Take one example here. Mixed fraction to 4 3 upon 5. This is the one mixed fraction. This is the mixed to improper. How to convert here? It is a how to convert improper mixed to improper. Okay. Now this is the one mixed fraction. Now we have to make this as the improper fraction. How to convert? See here. See this one. This both have to multiply first. This both have to multiply. For that answer, you can add this up number. This number you have to add. So this is the method. See 5 for the 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 upon 5. So we will do it here. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 plus up number 3. 3 upon 5 and it is 5. So 5 and it is 5. So now 5 for the 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So 23 upon 5 is your improper fraction. So what I did here? I convert here mixed fraction to improper fraction. So in this way you will convert mixed to improper. One more I will solve you. Then understood now. One more example. Improper to mixed fraction. Take one example here now. 2 4 upon 2 3 upon 4. This is the one mixed fraction. Now we are converting this into improper fraction. So what to do? This both you multiply. 4 into 2 plus 3 plus 3 upon 4 and it is upon 4. Upon 4. So now what will happen? 4 to the 8. 8. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 as it is upon 4 as it is. So 8 plus 3 how much? 11. So 11 by 4 is the improper fraction. Here what we did? We converted mixed fraction to improper fraction. So in this way we will convert mixed to improper, improper to mixed. So remaining part we will continue next class. I hope all are understood. Thank you everyone.